Alright guys, so here's the setup. I'm making my retaining brackets for holding the gladiator panel on my shelf unit for my workbench. So here's the design on CAD, and I've got several different tool paths. I've got a couple drill tool paths which I'm working on right now. Those will be followed by a roughing pass. You can see the horizontal roughing, followed by parallel and a finishing pass, which gets pretty detailed, and then finish it off with a cutout pass. So I'm up here now. I'm getting ready to drill on the setup right here. I've drilled my 1/8 holes. I'm getting ready to countersink 3/8 hole on each one of these marks. Those will correspond to these holes right here, which I will screw into the shelf unit. There's the controller, obviously the mill, and I'm running Mach 3. So here we go. Let's see what we get. Alright, so it's looking like that'll be pretty successful, and I'll pick back up on the next pass. So take it easy.